Go, go, happy. Go, go, happy.
I've been wanting to ask you.
Oh, Felix! Is that what I think it is? Huh?
So, what do you say, sweetheart?
I guess that's a no.
Oh, I should have kept the receipt.
Check the checklist. Deluxe whale watching binoculars? Check! Nutritious lunch? Check! Lunch has been bad patted. Oh, bad pat! You ate all the food? Mom made me my favorite anchovy and chili pepper sandwich.
You bet I did, Leo. Your mom's sandwiches are the best part of whale watching.
We'll just have to make more sandwiches. No, we can't delay a single second. Today's the whale migration. The pier is going to be packed with people, and I don't want to miss out on the best whale watching spots. Well, I don't want to miss out on lunch just to watch some big fish. Whales aren't fish. They're marine mammals. Sorry. See? My brain doesn't work right when it's not full of food.
Don't wilt your wings and get those binoculars ready, Martin. I know a way you can go whale watching without even leaving the house. Watch me. I'm a whale. I do whale stuff. Now watch it, whale.
Whale, marine animal, bat, whatever. Let's just go so I can get lunch at the Shack-a-Fish.
Ahoy! Pier 51, dead ahead!
Then it's time for all passengers to disembark!
Abandon ship! Aim towards the whales, wherever they are!
Huh? Well, how can the pier be empty? This is the best day of the year for whale watching. But hey, that means more whale watching for me! Maybe something's going on. Like a sea creature sighting we haven't heard about! Oh, don't think so. Or a giant squid attacked the pier. No, everything looks fine. Guess it's just an ordinary day at the pier. Oh, there's nothing ordinary about today. I'm closing up shop because nobody showed up to whale watch except you three. People are scared, and they're saying the beach is haunted by the ghost of Pier 51. A ghost? Let's go home and watch Bat swim around the attic some more. Sit fast, Martin. You can't be afraid of a rumor. Oh, yes, I can, and am, and will continue to be.
Cribbity crickets! Sounds like the rumor is about to become a fact.
Unless those are some weird-sounding whales. It's coming from the lighthouse.
Then to the lighthouse! Follow me! Rowing down the coast, la-dee-da-dee-dee. Gonna find a ghost, la-dee-da-dee-dee. Rowing in the sand, la-dee-da-dee-dee. Don't ever say Loveland, la-dee-da-dee. This was a terrible idea. We're never gonna... Oh, we're here. Drop anchor! Well, next time I'm taking the bus.
Great, nothing here but a lighthouse, Rebecca. See you back home. If nothing's here, then what do you call that? Oh, that's just the mast of a sunken ghost ship. You see one of those every day. Bye! You can't be afraid of a sunken ship. Oh, yes, I can. And am, and will continue to be. Huh?
think you're going, laddie?
Wherever you want me to go, Mr. Scary Ghost, sir. Okay, I'll stay right here.
Excuse me, but is that your ghost ship, Mr. Ghost?
Yes, it is. I be Captain Morgan Longwave, and that there 'twas my ship, all right, but then it hit the rocky shore and sank.
Wow, who knew a ghost ship could sink?
But I got me a new ship. She's a real beauty, don't you think?
It looks kind of sort of a bit smaller than your last ship.
Yes, it is. And it doesn't really float. And the sails don't work. It's more of a hat than a ship. But at least it does this. Oh, am I kidding? I can't sail the 7 seas in a hat, no matter how much it honks.
Don't worry, we'll help you get your ship sailing again, Captain Longwave.
Rebecca's right. We'll raise it from the bottom of the sea, and I've got the muscly muscles to do it. Okay, forget the muscly muscles. As my Aunt Fangface used to say, if your ship is sunk and you want to sail, get a bucket and bail, bail, bail. Oh, crazy old Aunt Fangface. That's the last time I listened to her.
This might be harder than I thought. Or impossible?
Oh, my ship! My beautiful, beautiful ship! She hit the rocky shore and sailed her last journey straight to the bottom of the ocean.
Huh, a captain without a ship is like Martin without all the screaming and running away. It's just not natural. Then we're gonna help Captain Longwave build a new ship.
And I get to keep his old hat ship. Arr, just call me Captain Batbeard. Toot, toot.
Thanks for trying, mateys, but it looks like I'm gonna spend the rest of my days on land. Now that's something to wail about.
Maybe you can use one of the ships at the pier.
Oh, I've got no need for one of those fancy new ships that drive themselves and have fax machines and make all of those noises.
Then maybe we should find someone who can build you a ship like your old one. I've got a better idea. Let's find a ship that's already been built.
For the love of sonar! I know where we can find the shippiest ship that ever sailed, and it doesn't go. Arr! At Fableland!
Woohoo!
I give you the Little Mermaid Lagoon, and more importantly, a very big ship.
Blow me down! That ship is a thing of beauty for sure. I may not be sailing into the ocean, but at least there's no rocky shore here for me to crash into.
And if you like your new ship, check out your crew.
You scurvy scalawags think you can run my ship? I said, you scurvy scalawags think you can run my ship? That's more like it. Now, come on, ye sea dogs. We gotta find a gangplank so you can get to the ship.
I've got you covered, Captain.
No thanks. I'll just float over.
All right, your turn.
Raise It'd be time to set sail! Get swinging! All hands to their seats! You made this old salty dog happier than a sea hag! Thanks for your help!
You're welcome! Bon voyage! I hope Captain Longwave likes his new ship as much as he did his old one. I got a feeling he likes it even more.
Woohoo! This is more fun than sailing ever was! Keep swinging, mateys!
I'm glad we helped Captain Longwave. Oh, but I wish we could have seen some whales today. We still can. Sort of.
Yeah, no!